Sanibonani guys, igama ngiNqobile niphathela amazwela enimba ngomhla ka-15 April. UNonceba-ke guys bekade manqika ngokuthi aye laphaya kubaba wakhe yothola iqiniso ngokuthi kwenzakalani kuma wakhe that other night. Kodwa-ke uSigqibo-ke umxelelile ukuba kuzomele behambile beyova ukuba kwenzakalani ntoni kunina wabo, ngoba bebengayi kuzoba sengathi yonke le memory bebenayo ngotata wabo bekade iyi-fake yamanga. Wonke lawo ma-family pictures bebukeka bencumile, beneme, bejabulile, it was all lies. So mabethola inyaniso, at least bazokwazi ukumove on with something that they know happened kumnina wabo, kunokuthi baphile iqiniso elamanga ukuthi wabulawa i-brain aneurysm. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Bahambile-ke baya khona, bebefika khona-ke ubaba wakho bekade sebalindele efuna ubatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalo bebusuku. Hayi-ke guys, Lazarus, he could not wait. Umane nje wathi asingene emxholweni, bonakala ukuthi yabona manje akasafuni ngisho ijuice yokuthi baqale behlise yabo kuqala. Hey guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Uyiqalile-ke indaba ubaba kaLazarus wathi, mna nonyoko kwakumele sihambe siye e-East London siyobethwa ngumoya, sike nje silungise ney'nkinga-ke ezazikhona emshadweni wethu. Yazi batabame, ndandimthanda umama wenu namanje futhi ndisamthanda. Ayibo, uLazarus wathi, ayibo, can you please get to the story? Hayibo guys, hayi ubaba kaLazarus waphendula wathi, ndisaya apho Jola, ndinika ithuba kaloku. Waqhubeka guys ubaba kaLazarus washo ukuthi umama wenu batabam wayengaphilanga, wayephethwe isifo esibizwa ngokuthi i-bipolar disorder. Hayibo, baqala-ke bathuka-ke manje uNonceba beno Lazarus. Wathi uLazarus, kutheni thina besingayazi leyo nto? Wathi ingoba umama wenu wandincenga ukuba ndinganixeleli le nto le, ngoba uzobukeka njengomama oyetheyethe mendimxelela le illness ebeniphethe. Wathula uSigqibo guys benoNonceba balinde ukuthi utata wabo aqhubeke nendaba. Washo ukuthi ayi, umama wenu ubemane gule, ebese-ke ngimnikeza amaphilisi, namaphilisi aphinde angafuni ukwasela. Hey, bendigcina nami sendizibona ukuthi ayi, ngathi umshado wethu impela awusemhle neze. Kwakufika-ke isikhathi-ke njengo-businessman ndihambe nabanye ozakwethu siye nje endaweni siyobethwa ngumoya la okwakumele kube khona-ke nabantu besifazane khona. Nandingathandi ukuya apho, kodwa one day ndazibona senginabo nami, cause kwakuya abantu abanemali eninzi phakathini lapho. Ndathi mendifika ndahlangana nomunye usisi obizwa ngokuthi uBuyi. Wathi uSigqibo, so you cheated? Wathi mntanami, ndandi-lonely, ndandi-weak kaloku, nami ndazibona sendenza impazamo. Hayibo guys, baba kaLazarus. Baba kaLazarus-ke guys uqhubekile wachaza ukuthi yena benoBuyi-ke baqhubeka nje impela for a good 5 years bebe-relationship, befihlele uma kaLazarus benoNonceba. So one silinyana day shuthi-ke ayithole le ndaba umama kaLazarus, but athule angayisho nhlobo le ndaba le kuyena-ke umyeni wakhe. La ubaba kaLazarus-ke bese-ready ukulungisa izinto nonkosikazi wakhe, sefuna nje ukuthi beqale on a new slate. Mane wathukuthela umama kaLazarus washo ukuthi sendiyazi ngoBuyi. Ubaba kaLazarus watatazela wathi, ya ndiyazi, bendithule nje, but ya ndazi ba ngizodlula kanjani kuyona. Ndicinga ukuba ya isikhathi sizothi mesihamba bese ngiyakhona ukuthi ngidlulise. Kanti-ke uBuyi naye uzitshela ukuthi she is one and only kubaba kaLazarus, usefuna ngisho kukhona unkosikazi endlini. Shuthi-ke ubaba kaLazarus guys ahambe-ke aye e-bathroom yoku-answerisha ifone, kanti-ke uBuyi uzovuka embhedeni ayolalela yonke i-conversation. Uthe esuka lapho ubaba kaLazarus wagijima wathatha i-shuttle wale emzini la kukhona uBuyi eBeacon Bay. Mefika-ke khona guys, wahlala isikhathi eside ebeyitshela ukuthi uzospenda i-hour elilodwa bese phinde emuva. Kanti-ke uBuyi ngala uzobe eqhubeka emfonela angalibambi ucingo. Guys, ila izinto zabheda khona-ke. Alamaphilisi lawa e-bipolar awaphuzayo ugirl umane nje wawashaqalaza wonke, and then she ended up collapsing alone ehhotela. No one was there. Ubaba kaLazarus wayenoBuyile eBeacon Bay. Hayi-ke guys, umane nje waqolekela lapho-ke umama kaLazarus on the floor. Kwafika ama-paramedics, mefika ama-paramedics-ke amfica ukhihliza amagwebu azama-ke ukuthi ambuyise amresuscitate, but there was no pulse, there was nothing. Sekusuka lapho-ke guys, kwafonelwa ihlobo-ke iseduzane, bathola-ke udadewabo-ke kababa kaLazarus uNomfundiso, and yena wayesemtshadweni-ke on that day. She was forced to ask i-Uber ukuthi-ke imlethe e-East London ngokukhulu ukuphazima kweso, and she was running guys, amaqhokuso bewaphethe ngesandla. Semefika khona bese ku-late because bese bembuza-ke ngo-silk thingy umama kaLazarus benoNceba, okuchaza khona guys ukuthi she was no more. Hayi ubaba kaLazarus-ke sebeyabuza-ke manje uLazarus noNceba ukuthi tata wena wawukuphi-ke ngalelo xesha. Hayi wachaza-ke uNomfundiso ukuthi hayi utata wenu-ke guys kuthiwa wathatha i-shuttle lapha ehhotela walibhekisa eBeacon Bay, shuthi kahle kahle waya kuBusi, and yonke lento yenzeka nje yena wayengekho-ke endlini. Wafika-ke kodwa naye bandla esegijima yecishe umuntu omdala, yazi ijubana likhiphe laphaya ezama ukukhava isikole. Wathi mefika naye-ke wafica-ke vele-ke sekulate, and that's how it happened. So uyatsho-ke uyachaza ukuthi batana bami andivaze ndize ndimbulale uma wenu like physically ndimshaye nga-something, andivaze futhi ndimnikeze ii-pills ukuthi ayiphuze yena, kodwa-ke she took her life. But I do feel like ukuthi I'm responsible because ukube andivaze ndihambe ngaleya mini ngabe usakhona umama wenu, so it's my fault because wayendidinga the most and on that night, but mina I left her ndaya kwi-side chick ubuyi. Guys kusazoshuba ngibone uLazarus eqaqhazela into ukuthelo-ke after esesize sonke istory. uNonceba-ke she was emotionless, andazi uba mhlawumbe usazama ukuyidigesta yini yonke le ndaba le, but sizothola-ke namhlanje ukuthi iyozala nkomoni. So-ke guys, uNomfundiso-ke now we know ukuthi why she ended up knowing the full story. Vele she is the one who came there first, wawitnessa everything before ngisho kufika yena-ke ubaba kaLazarus. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi uthe mefika laphayana-ke ubaba kaLazarus ebona uNomfundiso wase benza-ke isithembiso bobabili ukuthi-ke le ndaba bazoyivala nje beyithi thaqa, beyibambe njengemfihlo yezo umndeni, bangayithi putshu to anyone, because vele noma thiwa bebesho ukuthi ushawe i-brain aneurysm leyo, shuthi-ke bonke umuntu uzokholwa ngoba akekho ongathi kunobufakazi babukhona babuqanda ikhanda bokuthi-ke ubulawa umuntu thizeni. Yeah, so guys, it was suicide, but-ke ubaba kaLazarus feels like it's his fault. That's why Nomfundiso ethi you killed your wife, ngoba if it wasn't for ukuthi amshiye lapha endlini kwintombi ngabe usaphila namhlanje. Guys, aphela lapha ngamazivela namhlanje, ngakhohle subscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqobile niphathela amazivela enimba ngomhla ka 15 April. uNonceba-ke guys bekade manqika ngokuthi aye laphaya kubaba